Good afternoon, students. So in the last class we have solved some example problems. So in today's class we are going to start with the exercise 3.1. In that the first main question it is, find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. In this we have four sub questions: 25 degree, minus 47 degree 30 minutes, and then 240 degree, and then 520 degree. So we have to convert all these angles to radian measure. So let us go ahead with the solution now. We know that radian measure, that is RM, radian measure, which is equals to pi divided by 180 into degree measure. Pi by 180 into degree measure. So let us take up the first one. He has given 25 degree. So the first one it is 25 degree, which is equals to pi by 180 into degree measure. It is 25 into 25. So now 25 degree, which is equals to pi, I write it as it is. Now these two get cancels in 5 tables. So 5 5s are and 5 36 are. 5 5 ಹೋಗ್ತದ್ರೆ 5 36 ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So what is the term that is left out now? Pi into 5 or 5 into pi. 5 pi divided by 36 radian. So we have converted 25 degree in terms of radian, that is 5 pi by 36 radian. This is all about the first sub question. Then we'll go for the second one. So now let us solve the second problem. It is minus 47 degree 30 minutes, which is equals to minus 47 degree, I write it as it is. Then so see here, we have to write 30 minutes in terms of degree. So what is 30 minutes? 1 degree, which is equals to 60 minutes. Now here we have 30 minutes, that means both the sides we have to divide by 2. Here we get 30 minutes, here we get 1 by 2 degree. So now 30 minutes is nothing but half degree. So it is 1 by 2. So overall it is degree. So now minus 47 degree 30 minutes, which is equals to, now this is there in the mixed fraction, ಮಿಶ್ರ ಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 2 ದಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. minus 47 into 2 plus 1, we get minus 95 divided by 2, it is degree. So now we have to convert this in terms of radian. Therefore so minus 47 degree 30 minutes, which is equals to, so pi by 180 into degree measure, pi divided by 180 into degree measure, that is minus 95 by 2. Minus 95 by 2. So let us simplify this now. Minus 47 degree 30 minutes, which is equals to, so we have to cancel out these two terms. So here it is 5 ones are, so we have 4 here, that is 5 nines are, and this is 536. So now multiply the numerators. We have minus 19 here, minus 19 into pi, it is minus 19 pi divided by 36 into 2, it is 72. It is 72 radian. 72 radian. So we have converted the second sub question, that is minus 47 degree 30 minutes in terms of radian. It is minus 19 pi divided by 72. So let us go for the third sub question. Well, the third sub question, it is 240 degree. So 240 degree, which is equals to pi divided by 180 into 240. So now we have to simplify this. So here 0 and 0 get cancels. Then we have 24 and 18. These two get cancels in 6 table. Iveru 6 get cancel agtavaru. So here 6 4s 6 3s 6 4 24 6 3 18. So 240 degree, which is equals to 4 pi divided by 3 radian. 4 pi divided by 3 radian. So we have to go for the last problem. So let us solve the fourth sub question. It is 520 degree. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಜರ್. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಪೈ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 180 degree into 520. So now again 0 and 0 get cancels. Now these two get cancels in 2's table. ಎರಡರ ಮಗ್ಗಿಯಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 2 26 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 2 9s 2 26 52 2 9 18. ಸೊ 520 degree, which is equals to 26 pi divided by 9. 26 pi divided by 9. So this is the answer for the 520. So mark this as very important for 1 mark. So this is all about the first main question. Well, let us solve the second main question of the exercise 3.1. Find the radian, find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. Now he has given the angle in radian measure. We have to find its corresponding degree measure. So let us go ahead with the solution. We know that degree measure, which is equals to 180 by pi into radian measure. dm andre degree measure agtadre, rm andre radian measure. So let us substitute the values. So here 11 by 16, which is equals to 180 divided by, so what is the value of pi? He has clearly given, use pi equal to 22 by 7. So it is 22 divided by 7 into radian measure. It is 11 divided by 16. 11 by 16. So now in the next step, this 7 goes to the numerator. So 11 by 16, which is equals to 180 into 11 into 7 divided by 22 into 16. So let us simplify this. 11 1s 11 2s 11 1 11 22 ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So now Now here we have to cancel out 180 and 16. These two get cancels in 4 tables. 4 ಮಧ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ 4 fours and then again here 4 fours we have 2 as the remainder. That means we get 20 here. 4 fives that is 45. So now 11 by 16 which is equals to 45 into 7. It is 315 divided by 2 into 4. It is 8. It is 8 degree. So here we have to write degree. So now we have to divide 315 by 8. So yesterday we have solved a similar example problem. So let us go for the division. 315 we are dividing it by 8. So see, take the first two numbers, that is 8 3s ಅಂದರೆ 8 3 24 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So we get 7 and then the next number it is 5. Then 8 9s 8 9 72. 8 9s it is 72. So we get 3 here. That means the remainder is less than the divisor. We have to stop the division process. Now we have to write this in the form of quotient into remainder divided by divisor. 11 by 16 which is equals to, we have to take quotient, that is 39 degree into 3 by 8 or 3 by 8 is there in degree, we need in minutes. So what I do is 3 by 8 into 60 it becomes in minutes. Single bar here, single bar indicates minutes. So now let us multiply 60 into 3. So here 11 by 16 which is equals to 39 degree. Now 60 into 3 it is 180 by 8 minutes. 180 by 8 minutes. So you have to write single bar here, that indicates minutes. Now we have to divide 180 by 8. Let us go for the division. So here 8 2s are 16. So we have the remainder 2. Then the next number it is 0. Then again it is 8 2s are, it is 16. So we have to stop the division process now. Now again we have to write 180 by 8 in the form of quotient into remainder divided by divisor. So let us go ahead with that. So here 11 by 16 which is equals to 39 degree. So now we have to take quotient, it is 22 minutes. 22 minutes, single bar. Now 4 by 8 into 60 seconds, double bar. So actually 4 by 8 minutes ದಾಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ರೀ. ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 60 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕೀಗ. ನಾವು so here only we can simplify. So here 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 1s are 4 2s are and 2 1s are 2 30s are. So the final answer is 11 by 16 which is equals to 39 degree 22 minutes, 39 degree 22 minutes and 30 seconds and 30 seconds. So this is the required answer for the given question. So we have expressed 11 by 6 radians into 39 degree 22 minutes and 30 seconds. So this procedure is little bit lengthier and usually these questions will be given for 2 or 3 marks. So this is all about the first sub question. Well, we have completed the first sub question. So take this second problem as an assignment. You will have to solve this. I'll be solving Roman number 3 and Roman number 4. So let us take up the Roman number 3. So here we know that degree measure which is equals to 180 by pi into radian measure. So degree measure, what is the degree measure here? 5 pi by 3 which is equals to 180 by pi into radian measure, that is 5 pi by 3. So now pi and pi get cancels. Here 3 ones are 360s. So now 60 into 5, it is 300. 5 pi by 3 which is equals to 300 degrees. So we have converted 5 pi by 3 radian into degrees. It becomes 300 degrees. So let us go for the fourth one. We'll solve the Roman number 4. So it is 7 pi by 6 which is equals to 180 by pi into the radian measure, that is 7 pi by 6. Now again pi and pi get cancels. 6 ones are 6, 3s are 18 and 0 I write it as it is. So 7 pi by 6 which is equals to 30 into 7, it is 210 degree. So this is all about the second sub question. So the Roman number 3 and Roman number 4 are very important for 1 mark. So you have to practice a lot. So this is all about the second sub question.